Hey guys, so today it is absolutely boiling hot here, like the hottest day of my entire life, and my makeup is sliding off, so I'm gonna do a smaller box. I'm gonna do the Fright June box. I really wanted to do Witch Casket, but I'm gonna do that maybe tomorrow when it's a little cooler. So yeah, like I said, this is June's box, and the themes for this box were Child's Play, My Bloody Valentine, Friday the 13th, Jason Lives, Nightmare on Elm Street 3 and The Collector. So they were the themes for this box. So first we have our t-shirt, which is the My Bloody Valentine item, and it's called the Heartless Shirt. So this is what it looks like, and at the bottom it says there's more than one way to lose your heart, with some little love hearts. Very cool. I like this. It's black, plain on the back, and that's the first item. Then next we have our pin, which is the Collector film item. So as always, it's a Fright Crate exclusive. I'm pretty sure all of their pins are Fright Crate exclusives. The Collector is a film that I haven't seen before, but I've heard a lot about it, so I definitely need to give it a watch. Looks like a really cool pin, and it's got two on the back so that it doesn't spin around when it's put onto something, which is cool. Then next we have the Nightmare on Elm Street 3 item, which is this. So let me just find this thing. So this is a mini Standee, which is kind of like when you go to the cinema and they have those big boards that you can like take pictures with and stuff. It's like a mini little version of that. It just stands up on its own. So it says it's inspired by the movie poster, and it comes with like instructions on how to stand it up. I'm not going to do that because one of my friends actually wants this, so I'm going to give it to them, but it's pretty cool though. This is what it looks like. I think this is quite a like horror collector kind of item. I don't think people normally would kind of want something like this, but if you're big into your horror films and stuff, then this is a really cool thing to have. Then next is our Serial Resin Co item, and it's the Jason Lives bust. So it says roughly 4 inches, inspired from the movie. This piece is meant to look like a bronze statue. So it says Jason Lives down here on this little tombstone. It's very cool. I don't always love their resin items, but I think this one is definitely a good one though. Looks very metal and heavy, but it's not. And the last thing is my favourite item in the box, and that is our Child's Play item, and it is an autograph from Alex Vincent, who is the little boy in the film. He's not a little boy anymore, obviously. Now he's like, I don't know, 30 something maybe. It has like a little picture down here, shows you him signing them for like authenticity and stuff. I have actually met Alex Vincent before. If you've seen my For the Love of Horror convention vlog, then you can see me meeting him in that. I'll put the link down below in case you want to check it out. But he was 100% the nicest celebrity I've ever met in my life. He was so sweet, and I took a picture with him and stuff as well. So yeah, I've got another one of these, but that's totally fine with me because he was really lovely. So I'll put this in my little autograph album. I might do a video on that sometime as well, show all the autographs that I've got and everything. But yeah, that was everything that was in Fright Crate for June. I apologise that I am like a disgusting shiny mess. Like I said, it's so hot here. So I'll just do a quick overview. We got the autograph, the little Nightmare on Elm Street Standee thing, the Jason Lives bust, the Collector pin, and the My Bloody Valentine t-shirt. So that was everything that came in June's Fright Crate. For people in the UK, because this is an American box, it usually works out maybe about £42 roughly, so it is quite expensive, but I would definitely say that it's worth it. And this is the larger box for anyone that is wondering. But yeah, I'll put the link down below for them, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.